Dave here. How are you? I want to show you this little tape measure that I was sent over from TSO Products. Now this is a FastCap Pro Carpenter tape. Now the first thing you've got to see is the capacity of writing on it. Now it's just a pencil, and when you're finished writing on it and you've gotten down to your saw and you use the measurement, you just rub it off. You use a better rubber than I did, but you rub it off and then you right away, and yeah, away you go. That's the first thing. While we've got the pencil here, here's the other great thing about it. It's got a built-in pencil sharpener, and this is not a lame pencil sharpener. This is a bloody beauty. You watch. Works great. Now, I normally use Carpenter's pencils, which are rectangular in cross-section, not a round one like this, but I could be persuaded to do that. Like for joinery, I prefer this. Okay, now one of the other things that it's got, or a few of the other things, it's got a belt clip that's got a lever on it. It's not just one of those spring load or shaped, this kind of clamping as you push it on. This one you can open it up. So if I was wearing jeans or a pair of shorts, I could open that right up and slide it down the side onto my shorts if I'm not wearing a belt. It would work, or onto the pocket. Fine. Okay, now one of the other things. Here we go. I'll come over here so you can see it. Now it is Imperial and metric. So across the top is Imperial, and you'll notice that the increments are 1/16 increments are in red, and the 1/8 increments are in black, which is pretty cool. Then we go along and you'll notice that it's got 12 inches, 1 foot, and then it'll go to 13 inches or 1 foot and 1 inch. And that's also pretty cool. Then along here you'll see it goes to 16, and it's a big red sign on 16 inches. Now that's basically in case you're laying out a wall plate or rafters or joists and you want to go 16-inch centers. Well, along we come along to 32 inch, and then again 48 inch, and it continues along for the full length of the tape, which is I think 16 feet, about 5 meters. Yeah, it says 16 feet right there. What else has it got on the metric, on the Imperial? That's about it. It just keeps on going. Now I've got it pulled out to 64, let's go to 80 inches, and it's still holding really well. So I'll show you there, 80 inches, 1 inch wide tape. Now down the end, you'll see that it's got 4 rivets. Now the 4 rivets are, this is backing piece that's reinforcing behind the tape for the tang on the end. It allows it to move backwards and forwards so that you can allow for internal or external measurements on that tang. So if I'm pushing it inwards, it will allow for it, or if I'm hooking it over something, it will also allow for it in the measurements here. All right, enough of all of that. Next we go to metric, and you can see it's got 100 millimeter, 200 millimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. Now it doesn't say 1 meter, but what it does have is along here it's got European convention, which is 32 millimeters, 64 millimeters, 96, 128, 160, and so on all the way through. Now you might say, well, that's great, Dave. Well, what the hell is that all about? I'll tell you, my friend. That is for if you're marking out shelf pins for in a cabinet. Now the thing is with shelf pins, if you set them out at 32 millimeters, that is also the distance apart for European cup hinges. So for their supports, so you go 32, 64, and then also down here you'll notice on my bench, all of those holes are on a regular 96 millimeter pattern, 96 millimeter centers, European convention. What else we got? It's a nice rubber handle, so it's not going to slide. If I put it down on a sheet of plywood, if I'm up on a ceiling or on a roof, it's not going to slide away. It's got 2 locks. It's got the lock on the top here, and there's another one under here to hold that way. Yeah, sometimes it'll work. Here we go. There we go. It's working. Just on the bottom. Fingers nowhere near that one. There you go. Now, you can get it in a few different types of tapes. This one is the metric and Imperial. Now there's another one which has got old standby standard and PS 16, 25 and 30. I don't know what that means, but you can tell me. It can also come in standard story pole, PSP 16 and 25, 16 and 25 feet. That's the length of them. And then we've got standard reverse. That's pretty cool. Metric standard, which is this one, I think, and true 32 metric reverse, which is pretty cool as well. And if you want to get one, I've got a link in the video description at the bottom here. The bloody handy tape. I love this part here that you can write on. Have a look over here because you might find that there's a playlist all about the products that TSO just sent over to me. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up, tell your friends, and keep coming back. I have so many interesting things to show you.